Welcome to this small training session. So today we will understand how we can do the connection of a proximity sensor. First we understand the setup. So this is a MCB. This is basically used to control the AC power, and this is the connection plate of a SMPS. So as per your requirement you can use the different voltage output SMPS 5 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt. This is a relay, and this is a proximity switch. So from this uh, proximity switch we are going to control this relay, and further the point of this relay we can use for our purpose. Okay, so we have connected this line and neutral to this MCB, and this is the uh, two 0 volt output here, two output terminal, and two we have positive, and this is the port for voltage adjustment. Okay, so in the proximity sensor we have three wires. One is brown, one is black, and one is blue. So this brown wire is used for the input 24 volt. So we will always connect this brown wire to the positive terminal of the SMPS. Second, we have the blue wire. So blue wire we will always connect to the negative, and in the black wire we get the output. Okay, and the output will always depend upon the type of the proximity. So we have two types of proximity sensor. One is PNP, which is basically giving the 24 volt output, and another one we have the NPN type of proximity switch, which will give the 0 volt output. Okay, so from this diagram you can see we have connected this positive directly to this relay, and this is the negative which we are taking from the proximity sensor. So this is basically our NPN wiring. Okay, so when we will bring the metal piece in front of this sensor, so it will switch the contact, and it will deliver the 0 volt from this blue wire to this black wire, and it will energize this relay. And further the contact of this relay, so we can use for our different purpose. Either we want to use it in the PLC, and we are handling some of the RLC logic. Okay, and if we talk about the PNP, so it will work like that. So we will connect this brown wire to this positive and blue wire to this negative, and only the changes is there in the PNP. When we will bring the metal piece here, so it will basically connect the brown wire to this black wire, and then it will energize this relay. Okay, so only the difference is in PNP it will give the 24 volt output, and in the NPN it will give the 0 volt output. Okay, so this was about the small topic of proximity, how you can do the connection. Thank you.